How's it going, guys? My name is Oscar and my YouTube channel is of course Oscar56684. This is my second YouTube vlog and we got another episode here for you guys. I'm in my car today and this is my secondary car. This is a 2014 Chevy Malibu LTZ. It is almost fully loaded, just missing the sunroof, of course. If not, I would have had that open just like in the Ford Taurus, just like I was showing you in my previous video. And with today's video, what we're gonna be doing is so my trunk actually stopped working during the winter time, so I recently ordered the new trunk release and I actually just received that today. So we're gonna go ahead and get that installed, and what we're gonna be doing right now is we're gonna be driving over to O'Reilly's because we do need some new fuses. It was blowing up my fuses, so first of all we gotta go get the new fuses, get everything installed, and we're gonna go ahead and get you along with the ride, and we'll be right back once we get to O'Reilly's. Thank you. All right, guys, so we actually just got right back home. We just got our fuses. Where did I leave them? Oh, I found them right here. I did need a 5 watt fuse, but unfortunately they just had the mini assortment fuse pack. So unfortunately I just got one. It was pretty pricey for this, but you know, gotta get it done, gotta get the video out for you guys, and gotta get my trunk working again. It is a huge inconvenience that it doesn't open when you're at the market or anything. It forces you to put all your market, your groceries, or anything you're buying, or even when you're out shopping, buying new clothes, shoes, anything you like, you're kind of forced to open up your inside doors and put all the grocery and whatever you're purchasing inside of the vehicle. It's really inconvenient. So I'm gonna go ahead and start showing you the vehicle. Let's go ahead and get up out this car. It is extremely hot in here, so let's get it going. All right, good. Alright, so this is my 2013, sorry about that, actually it's my 2014 Chevy Malibu LTZ. This is what I got right here. I did upgrade the lights in the past. It does have the LED running lights, and I also installed the LED fog lights, as you could slightly see in there. I got a HID headlights on this, so the entire front is extremely bright at night. You could see everything. License plate delete in the front. I do have it on the windshield though, just so I won't be getting those citations, you know. So yeah, let's go ahead and get the trunk open. Let's get the parts installed. First of all, let's go ahead and get the fuse removed. That way, once we get everything installed, we get the new fuse installed. Alright, guys, so the fuse box is actually here. All you really gotta do is slightly, just fell right off. That's perfectly fine, no problem. So the fuse that you're actually looking to remove, it's gonna be this little small one right here, that brown. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get this fuse replaced, and this is gonna be this brown one right here. All you simply gotta do is get some pliers and push it out. Alright, let's go ahead and leave that to the side. And then we gotta get our trunk open. Mine doesn't work, so I do have to use the leverage. I did have to tie an extra thing onto here, to the emergency exit release latch to the back. So let's go back here. Let's get this opened up. And then you see what I mean. I have to get this tight on right here. So what you simply gotta do is, I'm gonna have to set you guys down real quick, and I'll be able to angle it up. That slightly work for now. That pushed off. That to the side. Then I gotta get a few screws, so I'll be right back. Gotta get the garage open to get the screwdriver. Hey guys, so I got the tools and I got the tool size all figured out here, so let's go ahead and get this started with. Alright, so all we really gotta do is get these removed. Hold on. I might have to use the longer ones actually. Let's get that one removed. Put that right back. Set this right back down. And we said it was a 7mm, 5.67. Here it is. And this is gonna go attached to a smaller one. Alright guys, so the screws were being a little stubborn, so I had to turn you guys off for a little bit and then come right back. So here's what I got now. Alright, gotta get that shoelace untied to get this little latch to the inside. That way we will go ahead and start getting everything fully replaced. Alright guys, now that we got that shoelace fully removed, now all you really gotta do is get it pushed inside. Perfect. And here it is. So now all we gotta do is get a, what is that? That's gonna be a star. So let's go ahead and get this. Looks like I do have a few of them here. Hopefully they fit. Alright guys, so that was actually a perfect fit. So now we're gonna go ahead and get both of these screws removed. There's the first one, and the second one is gonna be right on the opposite side. And all you gotta do is, there you go. It's a bit difficult with just one hand, meanwhile you're recording everything. But it's worth the while, right? Alright, got that fully removed. Now this simply slides right off. And then yeah, you gotta do is open this right back up, and then you'll see this leverage right here. You simply gotta get that removed. And alright, and to remove that, all you simply gotta do is push this in, push it in, and then this little thing here moves to the side. So I'm gonna have to use both of my hands right now. So I'll be right back where I show you how to put it, the new one right back on. Give me a second here, guys. Alright guys, so as you can see, I got it fully removed. There's that. Let's go ahead and get the new piece out here. That way we could go ahead and get everything reinstalled. I got that in here sitting somewhere. Where did I leave that at? Could have sworn I'd had it over here. Oh, left it over here. Let's go ahead and get that. Get this opened up. All you gotta do is slide that right up. And then give me a second. All you gotta do is get this little thing here, and you just gotta fit it into this slot here. And then we'll be right back. I'll show you once everything is put back on. Then I'll show you how to put the screws back on. That way we could get the fuse back on, and hopefully everything works as planned. Alright guys, so I got that fully put back on. Now all we gotta do is put the screws back on. Let me go ahead and get those down here. Where'd I leave them? These belong to that. I can't believe I lost the screws, guys. Alright, and one of them, here it is. All you gotta do is there's one of them. Alright, where did we leave the other one? It just flew out, if you guys saw that when we were... Alright, found it here. This goes on this side. I need to get myself a little small GoPro to be able to be more sufficient with this. It's a bit difficult with this DSLR camera, but this is all I got for right now, so let's make it work. Alright guys, so everything is fully put back together.
I got yours. I got yours already.
Alright, so now we just gotta get this reconnected here to the back.
Got you.
Perfect. Now that everything is reconnected, let's slightly put everything back together. Not all the way fully back together, because first of all we gotta test it out, make sure everything is fully functional. Let's get the keys out of here, that way we could go ahead and open it with this, and hopefully everything works. Let's get this fully closed. Alright guys, now we gotta get the fuse put back on. We left that down here. Alright guys, oh, we said that goes right in here. Alright, perfect. So, moment of truth. Beautiful. Beautiful. And the main problem we had here, guys, is it was blowing up the fuses. So let's make sure it works the second time. Beautiful. Let's try it one more time over here. Beautiful, beautiful. And this is what we've been wanting, man. Amazing. Amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link in the description where you could go ahead and purchase this trunk release, since it is extremely expensive. Purchasing it OEM out of the Chevy dealership, you're looking at about $150, $160, if not even $180, depending the dealership you go to. This part I actually just got it for a whopping $30, so it's bang for your buck. Make everything work again, just like OEM. There's no problems with that. There's no need to really go OEM. It's not even a big major part, as long as everything is fully functional. So let's go ahead and get everything wrapped up, and I'll be right back with you guys. That way I can go ahead and give you guys our outro, and that way we could go ahead and get started with the next video. Next video, it's gonna be fun washing this beautiful car right here. That way we could go ahead and have it nice and sparkly shiny for you guys for the next following video. So let's go ahead and get this consistency. Alright guys, so we're back with the outro, and I do got a little volunteer here, my son DeAndre. He's a little 6-year-old. He's about to start school next month in August, so let's go ahead and get him on the camera to go ahead and get you the outro.
Subscribe to the channel and slam that like button.
And you go hit the screen. Hit it. Hit it.
Subscribe to the channel and slam that like button.
Hit it. Go. Boom. Like that. Close the camera. Close it. Close it for the viewers. Close it for the viewers. Thank you.